Welcome back to EDIE TV. It's fall. Do you know what that means? Pumpkin patches, mazes, pumpkin pies, pumpkin everything, and colored leaves. This is going to be the most wonderful fall ever. And look what's behind me, a pumpkin patch. It's amazing, right? Come on, look at that maze. Whoa, come on, let's go. We're at a live pumpkin patch. So you know the kids menus and they draw a maze for you and you try to get it out with a crayon? Well, today we're at a live maze. We get to go in it and find our way out and in. Let's go in the maze, come on. Yeah. Whoa, look at this maze! Look at this maze right now. It's so cool. Come on, let's go. I'm over here. Whoa, look at the parts of these eggs. So this is the outside. This is the yolk part where it holds the yolk. And that's my little brother, the part of the egg. This is called the shell membrane, and this is called the shell. Remember when we're cooking on Snack Attack, we break the shell, and then we eat it.
Yeah.
Whoa! What's in here? What's in here? Look! It's actually cock-a-doodle-doo, a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo! And the hen. Hens lay the eggs. Look at its top. Let's go. Wait a minute, what's that behind me? It's a chicken playground. Let's go check it out, come on. Someone sits right there and watches the eggs go down. And the eggs get laid down right there. From over there, and the chickens go over there. And then the chickens lay eggs, and the eggs go down that thingy. Look at all these pumpkins. Small pumpkins and even medium pumpkins, big pumpkins, weird looking pumpkins. Smash, smash. But this is sure a weird, these two are sure weird looking pumpkins. And this one, and this one. This one be weird looking too. Come on. Now that we have the pumpkins, we can get home and get to making a recipe with our pumpkins. Now that we got our pumpkins, we can go home with some awesome pumpkins. Now we got our pumpkins, we make them with faces. And then we pick those eyes, and then we crack them open. And then we take our wagons home. We get back and we wait our pumpkins at home. Look how cute they are. Stay tuned for what we're gonna make the recipe for and the pumpkin. And stay tuned for what recipe we're gonna make on these pumpkins.